Illuminate your living space with thousands of Christmas lights and create a fairy tale atmosphere. Christmas lighting adds an essential touch to the holiday ambience, transforming every tree, home, or garden. Brighten up your dwelling, Christmas tree, or balcony with enchanting Christmas lights and conjure a magical atmosphere. Please subscribe my channel for more upcoming great ideas. The most common way to achieve the perfect Christmas decoration is by using plants near your home. Whether they are deciduous or evergreen trees or just smaller shrubs, wrapping them with a string of lights is a simple yet effective method. Using various light ornaments, hanging decorations, tubes, and chains, you can adorn your entire home according to your imagination. Find plenty of inspiration in this video. For a carefree decoration option, consider ready-made 3D Christmas decorations. Just place them on the ground, and you're done. However, keep in mind that the price tag for such decorations often goes up disproportionately. With a bit of creativity and skill, you can easily handle it yourself. One more tip before you purchase the bulbs: make sure to check if they are suitable for outdoor use, meaning they can withstand water and moisture,